Well, hi everyone. Welcome to DeCarlo's Decades of Decor for our pick of the day. And this is today's pick. This is some antique hand-painted porcelain from Japan. It's marked Imperial Nippon, which dates it from 1891 to 1921. Because of the McKinley tariff, they wound up having to put in English the name of the country that they came from. But look at the detail on this. You've got hand-painted birds, and I don't know if it's a wisteria tree. So you've got the 4 little berry bowls, and then you've got the main serving bowl. And look at all the detail. You've got the heavy gilt going all the way around. The back stamp shows Imperial Mark Nippon. So this antique Imperial Nippon serving bowl and 4-person dessert or berry bowl set, that is our pick of the day.